Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This video does not need any intro, it does not need any hoo-ha. You can already see by the title and by the thumbnail what is going down today in this video. And yes, that is correct. This is the giveaway. If you follow my channel that I talked about, I had acquired this and I am so excited to give it away to one of my subbies. I'm just beyond excited. I'm beyond excited. I want to say for 90,000 subscribers, however, we're over that, who cares? 90,000, 100,000, I don't care anymore. I just want to give something away to you guys just to show my true appreciation, okay, period. I know you hear lots of YouTubers, especially in the Lux, give stuff away and, you know, share the love. I swear I have been here forever, okay? It feels like forever, trust me. It feels like forever. I have been here forever. Yes, I've done giveaways in the past. Yes, like handbags, that's fine. But I just, honestly, you know what it is? When I do unboxing videos or when I do review videos or show you new items and I get those comments like, Jerusha, you know, I'm a uni student or I'm finishing my doctorate or I'm finishing in medicine and I just can't ever foresee myself being in the position that you are to be able to buy such nice things, and I love them too and I will appreciate them. When I see those comments, it's just like from the bottom of my heart, I just want to stop what I'm doing, take all of this and just post it out to you guys. Because to me, understanding the love and the pure joy that these luxury items bring, and I watched from the beginning, okay? I used to watch, you know, Juicy Star 07 do giveaways or whatever 100 years ago, 8 years ago, and I used to think, oh my god, I love Louis Vuitton, I wish I could buy it. So I know that feeling, and I know that feeling so well to sit and watch a YouTuber and just want to be in that position. I get comments like, I would never be able to afford this stuff. I want you to have a slice of this beautiful, appreciated, blessed situation that I get to be involved in most days of my life because I am a YouTuber in the luxury community, and I just think, you know what? I don't take it for granted. I don't take any one of you for granted ever, any day, any second, and this is my gift of appreciation. This came via online. I hope you can appreciate that because we can't get to the boutique at this point in time. I had to, of course, go ahead and take it out and check on the item, check everything was perfect, so that in case I needed to return it, I wanted it to be 100% for you guys. Here is the proof of purchase you will get. It is proof of purchase. There is a beautiful gift message in there, and then all of the other stuff. I'm actually going to leave all of this in here so you can actually see, if you've never received online or you've never purchased from Louis Vuitton, what we show when we like the return slip and all of that. So all of that is going to be in there for one of you lucky winners. And let's go ahead. I obviously just slipped this ribbon back on. I will put it back on when it gets shipped out to you guys, but you get the Louis Vuitton ribbon. I have, you know, jargon up there. I'll probably give you some of the cards and stuff so that you get the full experience because that's what I want you to have. So beautiful magnetic box, which will be yours, and from out of the box we have the gorgeous dust bag, beautiful big dust bag as well, and as you saw in my thumbnail, I am giving away the iconic Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size in monogram canvas. To me, this just screams classic Louis Vuitton when I get asked, which we all do, trust me, all of us get asked all the time, Speedy or Neverfull, damier or monogram, Speedy or Neverfull, damier or monogram, what do you think? I think you have to check it out. You really do. You're going from a zipper top closure duffel bag to an open tote. There could not be anything more open than this bag. However, when it comes down to canvas choice, 110%. I know there are people out there who are not fond of the LV and Fleur-de-Lis monogram logo. That's fine, each to their own. It has been around from the, I'm not quite sure when Louis Vuitton's son did this reinterpretation. I'm not sure of the year. However, for this to go on the trunks that went under the ships and everything like that, it's just beyond iconic. Absolutely beyond. So when I knew what I wanted to get you guys, which was a Neverfull MM, because it's the medium size, we're gonna Goldilocks it, not too big, not too small. GM is huge and PM is quite tiny. I wanted to go smack bang in the middle, and I just knew hands down it would be monogram. So here it is in all its glory. This bag is absolutely spotless. I went over it with a fine-tooth comb. I had it sitting out so it's taken its full shape. There's not really any creasing, which is just so beautiful. You got bright white hard vachetta, which is really nice. Like, look, it's basically, it'll stand up, see? There's no way that's happening on my GM, girl. It is so patinaed. And you got beautiful, beautiful resin. You can see all the resin glazing there, so lovely. And it's just gorgeous. I opted for the traditional, like I guess you'd call it, like caramel lining, like the light beige lining, as opposed to picking out a color or whatnot, so that it can go really neutral across the board for my subbies. So girls, guys, maybe your mum, your grandma, your dad, whoever, if you wanted to gift it to someone. You know, I didn't want to go and do it in bright pink or the other colors, just in case. So you've got the straight font there on the back pocket. You've got the absolutely gorgeous zipper pull. Look how shiny all this hardware is. Beautiful zipper pull. Let's see the made date, which is underneath when you're looking for a Neverfull. Flip up that back pocket. Flip up that back pocket here. And it's underneath this side here. It's a little tricky. It's on a vachette tab under here. And this one was made in SF. And this one was made in SF 5118. So the 51st week of 2018. Haha! We have Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, stamped there on the pocket. And that's another thing, that we get a lot of made in France items in Australia. So I was so, you know, really wanting to give a bag away, because I know that maybe if you're in the US, it's all, you know, predominantly with these classics, it's made in USA of imported materials and whatnot. So I really wanted it to be made in France for you guys. You have the D-ring up here because the detachable pochette that comes with this Neverfull now is right here. So this is the MM size, like so, and it's got the clasp and attachment there, and then that can attach inside your Neverfull as an extra pouch if you wish, or you can use it as a clutch separately, so it's kind of like 2-in-1. I'm so excited. You have the beautiful drawstrings on the side, which we all talk about, cinching and not cinching. This one and this one with the gorgeous D-ring and cinch there with the rivets. Oh, I'm so excited. So that is my giveaway item. That is my giveaway item. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. Finally, and to be able to set this up and give it away to you guys. Okay, how you enter this giveaway, as always, you have to be subscribed to this channel, my channel, Jerusha Couture. You have to be one of my subscribers to enter. That is the first and foremost thing. Go ahead and start by giving this video a big thumbs up, not only for a giveaway, but for yourselves, the support that you give us YouTubers, and just the love. It's just ridiculous, you know. It's like we're cyber pen pals, and it's real. And there's many days that go past and my husband says, they're not your real friends. I'm like, nah girl, like I talk to them more than I talk to, say, like my auntie. Start by giving this video a thumbs up. You have to be one of my subscribers, and then below, please tell me one thing about yourself in the comments that you love. So there's one thing about yourself that you love. I think self-worth is so important, especially these days. I drill it into my son that, you know, he is fantastic and he's doing good in the world and he is growing up and he's a well-behaved boy. I think it's so easy to think negatively, but you know what? In every one of you out there, there is an amazing point that you believe in. So please go ahead and list it in the comment below. Along with that, there will be a link to a Google document. Some people in my past giveaway videos have said, we don't know where the link is. It will be the only link in the description box below. So you will see I will do multiple of them, so you can't not click on them. It will be a Google document linked below. Just fill out, you know, your information so you're submitted into the giveaway. It is the only way I do giveaways on YouTube and Instagram and things like that. This will be across all my platforms, so being involved, I will link the document on Instagram, I'll link the document on Facebook. If you don't have a YouTube account, just comment on the giveaway pictures on those platforms. I know not everybody has each platform, and I totally understand. You're all entered, because if you've entered that document, you're entered, so that's fine. Once that document is entered and submitted, you are in the running to win this amazing handbag from Louis Vuitton. In the Google document, you will see the dates that this giveaway is open for. I do want to announce that from this video onwards, I am actually taking maternity leave. It seems pretty funny to take maternity leave from socials because it just seems so natural in my life to be on socials, to post, to be whatever. I still will be active on Instagram because I love looking at the, you know, other YouTubers and Instagrammers and all our friends on Instagram. I'll still be there, I'll still be around. However, I won't be actively making videos for probably a good 3 to 4 weeks, maybe a month, maybe a bit more. And I want to spend time with Mussy, my 2.5-year-old, and the newborn. So I do hope you understand that, but this will be my last video for a while, and then obviously I will contact the winner. I will let you know on my Instagram and Facebook who the winner was and whatnot. But please go ahead and enter this giveaway. Do it for me. Do it for me because I care so much about you guys caring about my channel. That is why. And if I, as I said, and I've said before, if I could give it all away, I would. Because that's how this makes me feel, and how long I've been doing it. It gets to a point where it's like, you guys mean more. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys mean more. At this giveaway, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. If you want to tell a friend to sub to my channel as well, that would be great, guys. Please enter my giveaway below. I will see you soon when I'm back from maternity leave with my new bub. And take care, guys. Peace.